This section is all about the percentage-based stop loss. This is a very basic form of setting your stop loss based on a percentage of your account. For example, let's say you wanted your stop loss to be at 2.5% of your account so that if the trade went against you, you wouldn't be able to lose more than 2.5% of your account with that trade since it would close at the stop loss. This is considered your percentage risk on a trade, and it varies depending on the trader. Some traders risk up to 10% of their account on a single trade because they like to trade more aggressively. Other, more conservative traders never risk more than 2.5% of their account per trade. Once the percent risk is determined, are you supposed to use your position size to calculate how far you should set your stop loss? No! Remember, you should always place your stop loss according to your system rules, not based on how much you are willing to lose. So you should always place your stop loss according to your rules and then compute the lot size, but never vice versa. Let me show you why. In the chart here in this example, we have the Euro USD pair. You can see we entered on the blue line here with a sell order where it looks like there's some resistance holding. Let's say you have $500 in your account and you decide first you want to trade with a 0.1 lot size. Then you decide you don't want to risk more than 2% of your account. Since each pip movement would be $1, then you would place your stop loss 10 pips away right here, or in other words, you would be risking $10 or 2% of your account. Do you see how we first decided on the lot size of 0.1 and then that determined how far the stop loss would be? So don't do this. This is what I mean by trading based on how much you're willing to lose and not your trading system rules. A 10 pip stop loss is pretty tight for the Euro USD pair since that pair moves over 100 pips a day. So let's see what happened next. Look, just like that, you would have been stopped out right here where this wick came up and hit your stop loss because the stop loss was too tight at 10 pips away. But if you had stuck to your trading rules and set your stop loss wider with a smaller lot size, so you would be risking the same 2% of your account, but your stop loss could be farther away, you could have capitalized on this 100 pips of movement. So just remember to always decide where your stop loss is going to go first based on your trading system, and then compute the lot size from there to fit the amount you want to risk on the trade.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.